Hello, dear students. This is Vivek Parhab, and you are watching Waste Management Lecture Video 4, Class 10th Geography. So, dear students, in this video lecture, we are going to discuss need and methods of reducing, reusing, and recycling waste. First and foremost, we are going to deal what is the methods. So minimizing or reducing waste is the first method. Research on clean technology is second. Recycle and reuse third, and environmentally sound treatment and disposal of waste. That means EST. So we are going to discuss all the things one by one. Before I am going to discuss in the last video lecture, we have learned importance of seg- uh, segregation of waste. So you have learned how we segregate the waste material in a wet waste material, dry waste material, like that. How can we manage it? Okay. So dear students, now we are going to discuss minimizing or reducing waste. So, by reducing or eliminating the generation of harmful and persistent wastes, waste minimization supports efforts to promote a more sustainable society. My dear friends, waste minimization involves redesigning our products and the process and changing societal patterns of the consume production. As you know that in Chandigarh we have rock garden made by Nek Chand. So this all material of this garden made up of waste material like west of Bengal, some stones like that things, metals. Okay, so we minimizing and reducing research on clean technology. How we can clean, as you know that it is very necessary for us. But on the same time, you know that we have very minuscule of technology to minimize our waste. So we should research on it. Suppose we have non-biodegradable waste, polythene, so and plastic material. How can we manage it? So there is a new research on it. We can make eco brick, eco-friendly brick, and with this brick we can manage our waste material. Okay. So now research on clean technology. Clean technology, in short, clean tech is any process, product, or service that reduce negative environmental impacts through significant energy efficiency improvement, the sustainable use of resources, or environmental protection activities. Clean technology includes a broad range of technology related to recycling, renewable energy, information technology, green transportation, electric motors, green chemistry, lighting, grey water, and more. Environmental finance is the method by which new clean technology projects that have proven that they have additional or beyond business as usual can obtain financing through the generation of carbon credits. A project that is developed with concern of climate change mitigation is known as carbon project. So we have so many technique and technology in this time also for the cleaning purpose, but we should uh, go ahead and research new technology for the purpose of environmental damage. We can remove it, we can mitigate it. Okay, so now it's turn to recycle and reuse. Recycling involves the collection of used and discarded materials, processing these materials and making them into new products. It reduces the amount of waste that is thrown into the community dustbin, thereby making environment clean and air fresh or to breathe. Now, last but not the least, environmentally sound treatment and disposal waste. That means ESM OCED. So we have for the region members countries decided in 1999 to begin working towards the international environmentally sound management. That means ESM. Guidelines for the waste recovery facilities. The broad objectives of that works have been to provide facilities with common basic provisions for environmentally sound management in order to improve the environmental performance in necessary to achieve a more level to playing field among facilities within the OECD area in order to help ensure that facilities which have invested in environmentally sound technologies maintain their competitiveness and to use implementation of these guidelines as way of helping countries to greater confidence that their waste shipments within the OECD were being sent environmentally sound management facilities. This is the waste management of your chapter of your book. My dear students, I think this chapter has been ended. So, and the syllabus reduced by the ICSE board is it, and that's why I'm telling you your syllabus has been ended. Now we are going to revise the chapters. So, for the purpose of your examination, it is very necessary to revise yourself. Okay, thank you so much, dear students. See you in the next video.